Hi, what's going on? Welcome to Driver Installer, and in this video, I will show you how you can enable the home button on the screen of your iPhone. It is possible that over time the home button on your iPhone will get worse and get into a state where it does not detect any input. Using your iPhone without the home button can be very complicated, so much so that you will not even want to use your device. But don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable a digital home button on your iPhone. In case you were wondering, this method also works for iPad and iPod Touch. If you want to know more tricks like these, make sure to subscribe to this channel. On your iPhone, go to Settings. Then scroll down and tap on the Accessibility tab. In Accessibility, go to Physical and Motor and tap on Touch. Now you are going to tap on the option called Assistive Touch, which is the first option, and then you are going to enable it. After enabling this option, a button will appear on the screen. This is the tool that you are going to use as the home button. To do this, tap on the button and then tap on Home. Keep watching this video, because now I am going to explain some important details. With this tool you can do more things. You can also activate Siri. You can open the control center, take screenshots, among many other functions. This tool is very customizable. You will only have to go to this option and add the functions that you need. In case you don't need any of this and just want to use the home button, you are going to do the following. Go to Single Tap. And among these options you are going to select Home. Now in the double tap option, you are going to select App Switcher. In the long press option, select Siri. And for the last option, the 3D touch, you can choose any function you want. Now this button is literally your home button. A single tap takes you to the home page. A double tap opens the app switcher. And a long press activates Siri, just like the physical button on your device. If you want to continue learning, watch this video, and don't forget to subscribe.